In this video, I'm going to show you how to take vocals out of a song in BandLab. Now first, I must warn you that this unfortunately is not a free feature. You will have to have their premium membership to be able to use it, okay? So if you don't have it, unfortunately, you won't be able to use it. But if you are a paid member and you have the membership, you'll be able to use this feature to actually take the vocals out of a song in BandLab. So to do this, just take an audio track where you have some vocals inside of a song, for example, or there's multiple things. There could be like instrumentals, audio, stuff like that. Click on it to select that audio, right click, and down here it's going to say splitter. Now you want to hover over the splitter, and then here it's going to allow you what you can actually do. So of course you can do 2 tracks all the way up to 6 tracks, and it's going to put them into different tracks here. You can separate vocals and everything else, or you could go ahead and separate, for example, vocals, drums, bass, and others. So there's of course a bunch of different things you can do. Just choose the one you want. Of course, like the simplest one is going to be this first one, which says 2 tracks, vocals and others. And what this will do is basically it's going to split it, and it's going to take the vocals out of your song here in BandLab. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.